I feel like breaking rules on the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue on the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave.
Hey guys, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I am taking you on a day in the life of a working mom with me. As you can see, I got up early this morning. I actually was gonna get up at 4:30, but I got up around 5, which is fine. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jen. I'm a full-time working mom. I have 2 kids, and I like to post a lot of working mom food and lifestyle content on this channel. So if you are new, I hope that you stick around. So I am getting ready to go to work this morning. I need to leave actually in the next 5 minutes. I did get most of our food ready last night before I went to bed, so that's a win. I always try to do as much as I can the night before. So let me show you what I'm packing and then we'll get out the door. Okay, so my son Connor is going to school today, so I'm packing his lunch in one of these bent go boxes. He's just got a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, some cheese crackers, some cucumbers and cutie oranges, and then I'm giving him a drink. And then for me, I'm taking for breakfast a Chobani pumpkin yogurt. These are some blueberry muffins that I made last night for a video. They're vegan and they turned out really, really good. So I'm gonna eat that for my breakfast. And then for lunch and snack, I am bringing this Amy's Indian-inspired vegetable pakoras. And then I put together some snack boxes last night also. This just has like a cucumber and chickpea sort of Greek salad with some hummus and some naan bread. And then of course I have my coffee. One thing I always need to make sure that my kids have in the mornings is their water bottle and their lunchbox. And then also we have a basket with all of our masks here so they can grab one of those before they walk out the door.
I wanted to just take a quick moment and let you guys know that today's Day in the Life video is sponsored by Acorn TV. If you guys aren't familiar with Acorn TV, they are a streaming service and you can get access to commercial-free international shows, and it's super affordable. It's only $5.99 a month. It also works with all of your favorite devices. I watch it on my iPhone, but you can download the app and watch it on either Apple or Android devices. You can also watch it on Amazon Fire TV, Google Chromecast, the Roku, and more. The other awesome thing is that you'll never run out of content because they add new releases every Monday. So you have tons of exclusive shows to choose from. And later in the video, I'll share with you guys what I have been binge watching lately.
Where's my keys? Where's my keys? You guys get hot and sweaty when you get ready in the morning. It doesn't matter how cold it is outside. I'm like the hot and sweaty one every morning. So, okay, it's 5:45 and I'm off to work. I have about 45 minute, well 50 minute, depending on the traffic, commute one way. I do go to work earlier and get off earlier. That's what's worked in the past for our schedule with the kids' activities and stuff. We are kind of waiting to see if the kids are gonna have swim this season. I kind of think that they are. We have an informational meeting, I think, next week. So I'm looking forward to them getting back into that. It's been a long summer with no recreational activities, that they're missing that kind of stuff. So hopefully they can figure out a way to do that safely. The only other update I have is that Kira has had a fever off and on this week. She told me that there are a couple kids in her class that were sick and that she was talking to on the days that she went to school. And so, like, they don't wear masks at recess, obviously. Anyway, so the school requires them to either have a doctor's note or a negative COVID test or be symptom free for 10 days before they go back to school. So we had a telehealth appointment last evening with her doctor, and they recommended that she get a strep test and a COVID swab, which this will be her second one since school has started. So Adam is going to take her to the doctor this afternoon, which is good because then I don't have to take off work. We kind of take turns taking kids to the doctor and stuff. So anyway, I'm gonna get to work. I'll catch up with you later. Sorry it's dark, but you know, it's early and it's getting to be fall now, so it's dark when I leave for work.
But guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing.
Okay, so happy afternoon. I just got off work, got myself a Starbucks. Frequently asked questions. Do you get a Starbucks every day? Yes. Question number 2. Isn't that a waste of money? I mean, I think that is subjective. Some people might call it a waste of money. I call it a well-deserved treat. Question 3, can't you just make it at home? No. I just tell myself that basically I have 2 jobs. 2 almost full-time jobs, I would say. I have a regular full-time job and a YouTube job or whatever. I don't like calling it a YouTube job because I feel like it's way more than that. I have an online business job. That sounds dumb, but anyway, whatever. And if I have 2 jobs and I want to treat myself to a coffee every day, I'm gonna do it. Okay, we're gonna go home and make dinner. When I said that I was gonna go home and make dinner, what I really meant was that I was gonna go home and then decide to pick up tacos for dinner because I didn't want to cook or clean my kitchen. So I'm at Taco John's right now picking up tacos for the fam, and then we're gonna go home and eat those, and that'll free up the rest of my night. I have some crafts I want to work on and watch some TV, so it'll be a good night. Also, I would be lying if I told you that I didn't just go to Hy-Vee and get more coffee. But I'm gonna put this in the fridge when I get home for later tonight. However, if you just said hi to me in the Hy-Vee parking lot, leave a comment down below. I apologize because I should have stopped and talked to you, but I was thinking about something and I was like I was thinking about how he's gonna respond to someone about something, and so I was like going over it in my head, and you were like, Jen, and I was like, hi. Like, I know, I mean, I've lived here my whole life, so I know lots of people in this town, and so I'm like, should I know you? Thank you.
No problem.
Have a good night. So I was like, should I know you? And she's like, no, I watch your YouTube channel, so hello, I'm sorry, I did not intend to be rude. I didn't even ask you what your name was, so comment down below and let me know. Again, I apologize, I'm like in my own head over here.
So we're done with dinner now, and bonus, I don't have any dishes to clean up, so I'm just gonna take a second to relax for a little bit on the couch, lay down with Murphy and Adam, and watch some shows on my phone. Last time I worked with Acorn TV, a lot of you actually commented on that video and told me that you enjoyed the service as well and gave me a couple different recommendations. And one of the recommendations that I watched was the show Doc Martin. So I've actually been watching it this week and it's super funny. I would definitely recommend it. But like I said before, Acorn TV is commercial free and it's super affordable at just $5.99 a month. It's super easy to download on your phone. I have an iPhone, and so I downloaded it in the App Store, but you can also get it on Android devices, Amazon Fire TV, Google Chromecast, and a bunch of other streaming apps. And if you're a fan of British comedies, then the other one is also a must-watch. It's about two sisters from different worlds who actually had no idea each other existed until their father dies. And for those of you who are Downton Abbey fans, this also features a really funny performance from Siobhan Finneran. If you guys are like me and you like to listen to or watch TV while you're doing chores around the house, you can escape to Britain and beyond without even leaving your seat. And you can try Acorn TV free for 30 days by going to acorn.tv and use promo code JEN. The other show that you guys recommended to me is called Keeping Faith, and so I'm definitely going to be watching that one next, but I would totally recommend the service. Like I said, it's super affordable. There are a ton of different things to watch, and it totally keeps me entertained while I'm folding laundry or doing dishes or any of the other chores around the house. So make sure you check the link out down below if you guys want a free trial for 30 days.
All right, so I laid on the couch for about an hour watching TV. It was glorious. It's now about 7:45. I'm up here doing some laundry. So I got some new shirts that I ordered from Torrid. They had a sale. Everything was like 35% off. So I got this tie-dye shirt. Anything I can find, I'll link it down below. But sometimes I have trouble re-finding things after I've purchased them. I don't know why. And then I got this top. It's a tank top, and it says, "In a world where you can be anything, be kind." And then I got stirrup pants. I'm so excited about these. I love Torrid's leggings, and I would say about their leggings, I do think that you have to size up, especially after you wash them. And I don't put mine in the dryer, but typically they're in their sizes. I wear an 18-20, which would equate to a 2 in their sizing, but I actually order a 3 in the leggings because they're just more comfortable for me. But I think that once you find a brand that you like, you know, stick with that brand and you'll get to know their sizing and its quirks and everything. At least that's what I found out. And then I also got these gray camo leggings, which are super cute. I love them. And then I grabbed this top. That's the thing with their tops too, is sometimes I order a 1 and sometimes I order a 2, depending on the cut and the fit of it. Like this one is the super soft knit t-shirt, and then this one I order a 1. But look, it has stars on it. How cute is that? And then this one is just, I think this is just a plain gray one. And then this one is the relaxed fit, but in this one I get a 2, just so it's long enough, but it's just a gray color. And I have another one that I wore yesterday. Let me see if I can find it. I also get a lot of questions, and I've said it in several videos, but I know people don't watch all my videos all the time, or every video all the time. But they always want to know where I get my sports bras, and I get them all from Lane Bryant, the ones that have the cute backs. There's this one, and then I have this red one too that I really like, the back of it. Just for like sizing reference, I am usually like a 40 triple D, and I order a 22-24 in the bras, and I do put these in the dryer, and they're the bralettes. They're just like, they don't have underwire or anything in them. And then this is the other t-shirt. I actually wore this before I washed it. Bad Jennifer. But this one is just a Rolling Stones t-shirt that I thought was cute. Or cool, I guess. It's cool, not cute. I thought this would be cute with a jean jacket too, and some black leggings. Like my stirrup pants. What? 80s back in the house. So anyway, that's what I got from Torrid. If I never had to leave the house, this is what I would wear. Torrid leggings, Lane Bryant sports bras or bralettes, and t-shirts or shirts from Torrid. That's what I would wear all the time, 100%. All right, I just got all of my laundry folded, and it's not put away, but folding it is half the battle. So I think I'm gonna do that. I also just remembered that Connor has a soccer game tomorrow night, so I have to make sure that his uniform is washed. I feel like I'm so out of practice with that. Like, we haven't had kids activities in so long that I don't remember how to like stay on top of things anymore. Oh, an update on Kira. She has strep, which was the culprit, although they did do a COVID test, so we don't have it back yet. I think they did a rapid test, so we should have it back tomorrow. But anyway, she got antibiotics, so that's her deal. Strep. Not, well, we don't think it's COVID, but we'll wait till we get the results back, but probably not. Probably just strep. All right, so it's about 9:45, and I just washed my face and got my pajamas on. I thought I was gonna have time to do some crafting tonight, but I didn't, and that's fine. It's always like a pipe dream, and then if it doesn't happen, that's fine. But I did get some laundry done, so that's good. The more laundry I can get done throughout the week, the less, you know, mass of laundry that I have to do on the weekend, so that eases it up a little bit. But I want to show you guys, Adam sent me flowers for our anniversary, and we decided not to buy anything for each other this year. Normally we actually go on a trip and we try to go to Kansas City and go to a Chiefs game, but obviously we're not doing that this year. So anyway, he sent these the other day and I just thought they were beautiful. I did post a picture on Instagram, so happy 14th anniversary to my husband Adam, even though he does not watch my videos. So anyway, I just got done packing Connor's lunch. So he has some turkey sandwiches on a Hawaiian roll with cheese and mustard, some watermelon, and a granola bar. I may throw a yogurt in there if I can find one in the fridge, and then I'll have a drink, obviously. My lunch is already done for tomorrow because I have another one of those little snack box thingies with the hummus and the pitas, and then I have some frozen dinners in the freezer, so I'll probably just throw one of those in my bag. And I got my coffee ready. So those are the things that I try to get done every night, is set my coffee up for the next morning, any lunch for the kids, and lunch for me. Sometimes I run out of time and I do it in the morning, but it's really best if I can do it at night. So anyway, that's all I'm gonna do for this evening. Thank you again to Acorn TV for sponsoring today's Day in the Life video. If you guys want to get 30 days free and try it out, you can go to acorn.tv and use promo code JEN to get a free month's trial. I will be filming a weekend prep video this weekend, and I'm also filming another cook and clean with me that I'm super excited about, so be on the lookout for those videos. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.